Hi, in this video I will be going over the basics of MSU's new virtual career fair platform, Easy Virtual Fair. Just like the title suggests, this virtual platform is a user-friendly way to help you find internships and jobs, as well as making it easy to connect to employers all around the world. Before attending the fair, visit Handshake and look at all the registered employers. Spend some time scoping out employers and positions that interest you ahead of time. That way, you can spend your time at the fair connecting with these employers. Have your updated resume and application materials in a place where you can easily find them on your computer. For help finalizing your resume or cover letter, check out MSU Career Services and get them peer-reviewed by a member of our team. Finally, remember that even though you might not be meeting face-to-face with employers, you should still look and act the part. Some employers may ask to interview you over video chat, so be prepared with a quick pitch and dress professionally. Let's dive into your Easy Virtual Fair experience. The fair will be held at msu.easyvirtualfair.com. To attend a virtual career fair, the first thing you need to do is create your account. Click on the registration button and fill out the required information, including your name, email, net ID, year, and major. Create a password that you can easily remember. Once you are logged into your account, click on Your Profile. Here, you can upload your resume and profile picture. To upload your resume, click on the Upload Document button in the top right-hand corner and upload the latest copy of your resume. To upload a profile picture, just select the avatar icon in the left-hand corner of your screen. Remember that your profile is how you are presenting yourself to potential employers. Your profile is all set and can be used for all MSU career fairs on this platform. Later, you can come back and change your information, view your job offers, and check which booths you visited. Now let's take a look at how Easy Virtual Fair works. On your home screen, you'll be able to view different pavilions at the fair. Each pavilion has a number of employer booths. Utilize the search function to find specific employers. Be sure to research the employers and the positions they are hiring for on Handshake prior to the fair. Once you find a booth that you are interested in, click their profile and you can view details and job opportunities. You can also view videos about the organization and webinars they have uploaded to learn more about the employer and their job offers. To engage with an employer or to learn more, you can begin a chat by clicking the chat button on the lower right corner. Please note there are two types of chat: public chat, which everyone in the booth can view, and private chat, which is between you and one organization representative. Before engaging in a chat, be sure to double-check which you are using. In addition, the company representative can send you a video link through the chat to engage with you via face-to-face video. Be sure you are all ready for a video chat if this is requested. If you want to apply for a position listed under the Jobs tab, simply click on the listing and hit the Apply Now button. Many employers may ask that you head to their website or a different URL for application. We know that attending career fairs virtually is probably a new experience, and MSU Career Services is here to help. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to a member of our team. We are here for you virtually before the fair, during the fair at the CSN Info booth, and afterwards to help with any questions you may have. Good luck and go green!